Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to briefly go over recording your capstone poster, your project poster presentation in Zoom, and how to get a transcript from that, and some other ideas around making sure that you have either captioned or a transcript for your video. So right now I am sharing a poster that I just developed for the World Federation of Occupational Therapy Conference, just as an example. And you also get a sneak preview here. So what I want to make sure I do before, in order to get a transcript, right, is I want to make sure I turn on the live transcript option. So in the toolbar of Zoom, there is, it may be right there, or you may have to click on more, and then you'll see live transcript as an option. So if I choose live transcript, then another little box comes up and I can enable auto transcription. Okay. So once I enable auto transcription, should see from your presenter view, you should see the captions come up. So what that does for me is creates a transcript as I'm doing my presentation. So again, you want to make sure that that is turned on before you start your presentation. I've heard from folks that students may not be able to record to the cloud, which is something that I'm able to do. And that's okay. You can record to your computer. But what happens is, even if you've turned the closed captioning on while you're presenting, it typically, the video will not download as closed captioned. But I'll show you in a moment here. What you can do is, I'll stop sharing my poster. So let's see, what you can do is, once you've stopped recording, this, the Zoom that's downloaded to your computer should show up in a file. It just pops up after I finish recording on mine. And then what you want to look for is this VTT file. Okay, so if I click on the VTT file, the auto transcript of my presentation will come up. So I can then use that to make a transcript. So you can convert that into like a Word file. You want to clean it up. It's not gonna, typically it's not perfect, right? Because it's using AI technology. So it may miss some words, or particularly like names of things, that sort of thing. So you want to go through and clean it up for sure. And then what that's really useful for too is the VTT file. Is you can actually use that to then caption your video in YouTube. YouTube is the easiest format, kind of way that I have found to caption videos, but I'm sure there are many other ways, and certainly you're welcome to use any method that is easy for you. I know there are certain versions of PowerPoint where you can caption videos, and that's great. But not everybody may have access to all that. So again, you have the option of either creating a transcript, which you'll submit with your presentation, that will be uploaded wherever you ended up signing off to kind of store your capstone, whether it's Common Knowledge or on Box. That'll be stored with it. So again, it's more accessible to people if they need that. And I'll just show really quick let's see. So this is the box folder called Accessible Dissemination Resources, and there is a link to a video about how to put your video in YouTube and add captions. And it is pretty straightforward. You upload that VTT document that came with your video, and then YouTube is able to help caption it. And then again, you can clean it up if there's any misspellings or incorrect word usage. And I hope if you haven't already, you've looked through some other accessibility considerations here too. So reach out if there are any issues with creating either the transcript or the caption videos. But again, Zoom does not automatically, even if you have auto transcription enabled for your video, the video itself will not download with the caption. So you do need to kind of go back and figure out another way to get that feature to either, again, get the transcript or the captions. All right. Thanks, everyone. Take care. Bye.